Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire you guys to go ahead and start your financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going ahead and talking about my Webull portfolio and the dividend paychecks that I received for the month. And so we're going to go ahead and get right into that right now. But if you would just take a short moment to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, that would go a long way to help my YouTube channel go ahead and grow more. It lets YouTube know that, I'm doing a great job and that other people should see this video. So with that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Thank you so much for stopping by the way. And as you can see, today we're at $16,855.70. And I just recently made a couple modifications to my portfolio, which you'll be able to see in another video. But with that said, let's go ahead and look at what happened this last month. And so we're going to dividends, as you can see, and at 401. Okay, so April 1st, ADT went ahead and paid us 4 cents in dividends. Allstate went ahead and paid us 81 cents. Coca-Cola went ahead and paid us 42 cents. And TU went ahead and paid us $1.49, and Viacom went ahead and paid us 48 cents. On April 5th, Kimberly-Clark went out of their way to pay us $1.14, while Lam Research paid us on April 7th $1.30. Diageo went ahead and paid us $1.53 on April 13th. On April 15th, we had 3 payments, one from BCE for 70 cents, one from Main Street Capital for 62 cents, and one from Keurig Dr. Pepper for 15 cents. Then we got a couple big payments, one from Simon Property Group, which was $6.50. And then we were paid by Bank of America Preferred Share, 38 cents. And since then, Bank of America Preferred Share has been delisted from Webull. So they went ahead and paid me $25 for the stock because that was the value at the time of selling. We also received a payment from GE of $1.01, and we've since then we've went ahead and gotten rid of this position. So that was the last payment we'll be receiving from GE. And then Bank of Nova Scotia went ahead and paid us $14.56 for the 20 shares that we hold. So that's absolutely phenomenal. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't like to, hold you guys. If you would just do me a small favor and hit that like button and, hit the subscribe button, that would be really awesome. It goes a long way to show support for the channel. If you never want to miss any videos that I post on this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell, as well as know that I do post at least twice a week on this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.